Don't do that, buddy. Nothing there. Come on, let's get up. You can't just dive into those things. Your head. Careful, buddy. Careful, buddy. Nope, that's a bad idea. It's a bad idea. Come on. Let's go this way. Help you down, but
Ready, go all the way to the top, Faye. Go all the way to the top, Faye. Go to the top and wave to Daddy, and then you can go back down.
I love this flip screen, huh? It helps.
She's waving to her dad. That's all we need to do. Go. Just say hi and then you can go back down. Okay?
Don't touch that, buddy. It's dirty. Don't eat that stuff. Come on, let's get down, buddy. Let's get down.
Okay, Daddy, look at Feifei.
What? Did you put something in your mouth? Come back. Ah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Look at Feifei. Feifei, say hi to Daddy.
Hi, Faye. Wish I had a fisheye lens. Oh, Colin. Sorry about that. He's a baby. He's only one. Don't eat that. Hi, Faye. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm coming down because I like to be on the top.
Why not?
Because I don't like to.
Scary?
Yeah.
Okay. You could climb down. You need help getting down?
Yes, please.
Okay, come here. Okay. Can you climb on these chains?
Please, sure.
Just a couple steps. Don't go all the way up. Okay? What happened?
You can do it. You've climbed before.
It's supposed to wiggle. Colin, what are you doing, buddy?
Hey, show Daddy what
What are you doing, buddy? Colin? You could do this in the shade, you know? Just do this in the shade, buddy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Up, 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 up. Come on, over here. Over here, over here. Over here. Okay. Okay, go ahead and sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down. Yeah. Sit down, sit down. Here you go. Want to get up and play some more, buddy? Oh man, the shoe, stuff in your shoe, buddy. Stuff all over your shoe. Hi, Faye. What you doing?
My mom said it's this number. It says that we have to go.
You have to go home soon?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we had to.
You have water on your mustache.
That's a water mustache.
Yep.
No. 1, 2, 3. Lift your legs up. Push it. No, you're going.
You ready to go, Colin? Let's go, Colin. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's a lot of this stuff in his shoes.
Yeah, let's go wash their hands. And
Colin's, bye-bye, Colin. Colin, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Lick, kiss it.
Look, kiss it. Well, his hands are dirty.
Okay, okay.